Hello, hello, hello guys. Hello. Good morning. Andito po tayo ngayon sa teacher's camp. Oh, look at that, guys. Teacher's camp. Teacher's camp at Baguio City. Oh, mayroon po tayo ditong OPI Team National Building 2024. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, oh, ang ganda ng bulaklak. Ayan. Ayan guys. Yan guys, medyo po malamig dito guys. Although it's summer time, pero ang lamig-lamig niya guys. Andito yung ating mga pine trees dito. Yan guys. Philippines flag ng teacher's camp. Yan guys. Yan guys. Lakad po tayo guys papuntang Kirin Hall para nandun yung aming meeting place. Yeah, tara guys, punta na tayo. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye.